Welcome to the on-screen results setup for multi-type assessments tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up on-screen results for your multi-type assessments in Agolix, allowing you to customize the results shown to your respondents. First, navigate to the Results tab in the editor and select the checkbox next to On-Screen. Then click the Edit On-Screen Results button to begin setting up the on-screen feedback. Here you can customize the results your respondents will see after completing the assessment. At the top of the editor, you can add introductory content such as text, images, or video. This content will appear above the numeric scores and feedback on the respondent's results page. Next, we'll review the dynamic content options that determine how your assessment results appear to each respondent. You can choose to display the numeric scores for your multi-type assessment. This shows the respondent's score based on their answers. You can also choose to display a graphical representation of the score. If you want to display the questions and the respondent's answers, you can enable this option. When Show Questions and Responses is enabled, you can also choose to display any question notes that you've added to your assessment. You can add buttons that allow respondents to share their results on social media, like Facebook and Twitter. If you'd like to provide respondents with a downloadable PDF report of their results, you can include a link to download it directly from the results page. For multi-type assessments, you can enable the Show Score Interpretations for Types setting to display the corresponding score interpretations for all types based on each respondent's score. At the bottom of the page, there's an editor where you can add concluding or additional explanatory text. This is a great place to include a call to action. That's it! You've successfully set up the on-screen results for your multi-type assessment. This flow will work seamlessly for displaying results on screen, sending them via email, and generating PDF reports for your respondent. Thanks for joining us today. Please check out our other videos to learn more about our software and what we can do for you. And remember, you can reach your goals with Agolix.